Welcome to WBPstars.com. I'm Jean-Georges and today I will show my favorite dish on the menu here at Jean-Georges Shanghai. It's an egg caviar. So the first step, we have to crack the egg perfectly. So we're using a little device like this. And we're going to do a little shock wave. And then we crack the eggs. And then we wash the inside. So I'm gonna do 2 eggs. So a little shock. Crack the eggs open. And then this gets washed after we let it dry. Then I'm adding a little bit of butter. 1 tablespoon of butter. A pinch of salt. And a little bit of cayenne pepper. So this is ready to cook. In the meantime, we're gonna do some whipped cream. So for the whipped cream, I'm using. So we're gonna cook the eggs, put it in the shell. On top, we're gonna add some whipped cream with vodka, lemon juice, salt, pepper. So I'm gonna whip the cream first. So we're gonna whip it until it's nice and firm. I do it by hand, but if you can add put it in a machine to whip the cream if you like. It's important, I think, when you whip the cream to put it on ice to keep it nice and cold. So cream, when you whip it like that, you add air into the cream. You want to whip it until it's nice and firm. So the cream is getting much thicker now. A few more minutes. The cream with some salt, cayenne pepper. With caviar, the best, of course, is vodka. Is always a great complement to the. I'm gonna season the cream with a little vodka. Some lemon juice. We're gonna continue to whip it until it's nice and firm. We're gonna test it. And more salt. More pepper. So it's like a savory whipped cream. See, almost ready. So when everything is nice and cold, very easy to season. There we go. So cream is ready. Now we're gonna cook the eggs on the stove. So the eggs, we want to melt the butter in the eggs. It's a very soft scrambled egg. You can see the butter has melted already. And we're going to cook the eggs in a very soft scramble. You can see the eggs are already getting cooking a little bit. You can see the eggs. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of butter again to stop the cooking of the eggs. We're gonna test it. Make sure the seasoning is right on. So we put the cream in a piping bag, and then we have the caviar here. Beautiful golden etc. So the next step is to fill up the eggs. vodka cream right on top. So we're gonna leave the center open. And then on top we're gonna add a beautiful spoon of caviar. There we go. Egg caviar.